Yeah, that's all.
I gotta start this over. We're at Rowlett Park, and we're at the dam. We're along Hillsborough River here. Beautiful day. I'm not gonna have you messing up my video walking behind me now, because I might turn around. No, nah. That's Miss Jady Poo trying to mess up my video, y'all. That's Miss Jady Poo. Look at the sign we have. Beware of alligator. We got alligators on the second sign. 2 of them. So if you don't know, you will know. Yeah. This is the far side of Rowlett Park here. Pretty much where they do the maintenance on the opposite side of these woods here. Then we have, of course, our play area, picnic area. All very big, all very nice. They do their job keeping it clean, that much I can say. Come along, Jady Poo.
Why are they doing it there? I still have a bonnet on.
So, it doesn't matter about you having a bonnet on. She's concerned about her bonnet, y'all, on her head.
Oh.
She's 10 years old, y'all. She's worried about a bonnet on her head. Kids aren't even supposed to be worried about nothing like that. Oh. And up there. Wait a minute. I'm about to drop my keys. Well, we're down on another end. Just a small area here where we've got trees out in the middle. I wouldn't want to come through here at night at all. At all. Every creature is out that can be out that used to live out here before they put houses. Yeah, every creature besides lions, tigers, and bears are out in this park. We have birds on the far end down there. We're taking a nature walk. I don't want to go too far away from the car because I don't feel like all that walking back. Ooh, this is strange how they left this piece of wood here. Part of a tree. Part of the base of this tree. It's like an old historic piece of wood there.
Oh, I see a little hole.
Yeah. I'm sure there are plenty of memories here for people.
Haven't spotted any alligators yet.
You're not going to see any, Jaden. Not now. They can hear us. Ooh, look at the hole. What lives in there at night? Ooh. Snakes, whatever. Raccoons.